Alright, today I'm taking out all this ivy in front of this house. I haven't measured it, but I'm going to say it's about 60 by 100 to 120 feet. So however much square footage that is. I've already taken all this out along the side of the house here. So, there you go. Day 2 of this ivy removal job. Still got along the street to take out. I've probably gotten already, I'd say 3/4 of it out of here. More to come. I'm helping the local robin population here. Apparently they like all the worms I'm digging up for them. Thanks for watching.